Hello everyone. What is the GDP of Bahrain? GDP means the total value of goods and services produced in a country in 1 year. Bahrain's nominal GDP is about 47.5 billion US dollars. This makes Bahrain a small economy in total size, but its population is also small. As a result, GDP per person is much higher than the total figure may suggest. Bahrain's GDP per capita is about 29,000 US dollars, showing a relatively high average income compared with many countries. The economy is strongly linked to oil and gas, but it also has important financial services, manufacturing, trade, and tourism. Bahrain is working to reduce its dependence on energy by growing these other sectors. In recent years, the economy has continued to grow, although changes in oil prices can affect growth and government income. Bahrain also benefits from its location in the Gulf, close to Saudi Arabia and other major markets. Its financial sector serves regional businesses, while aluminum production and refining add to exports. With a population of around 1.6 million people, even a moderate economy can produce a large amount per person. These figures show why Bahrain is small in total GDP, but much stronger when measured by GDP per person. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.